Yo, what's up mga pare ko, Chongkoy? Tayo maglalaro ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na The Baby in Yellow. So, meron na silang bagong labas ito ng Act 4 Service to the Crown and kakalabas lang nila to, ngayon ko lang nabalitaan. So, abutin tayo ng ilang oras dito. So, grab nyo na mga stocks nyo. Bahala na kayo kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo kainin dyan and relax na lang kayo and manood. And hindi ko na to kailangan patagalin pa. Simulan na natin ang Baby in Yellow Service to the Crown.
This is Crown Childcare, the gold standard in babysitting. You have one news message. Hello and congratulations. Your application has been successful, and we're very pleased to welcome you to the Crown Childcare family. Report to reception for orientation. Your journey with us starts today.
Tinatamad ako. Hindi ko lang ba't ako nagpasa ng requirements dito. Ano requirements pinasok sa inyo?
Good morning and welcome to your first day at Crown Childcare. Let's get started. Log on to the computer to print your contract. We encourage you to read each section carefully before signing.
Ito? 1895. One eight nine five. It's your first day. Dear potential employee, we can wait for you to join our growing family. There are so many exciting opportunities ahead. Before we begin, please print and carefully read your contract. Once you've signed, we can start our journey together. Crown Childcare. Tara guys, ang dami niya na. May pahabol pa isa. Ito na. Need a pen. Ang ganda ng pen na to ah.
Welcome to the family, employee.
Anong family? Employee nyo lang ako.
225. Place your contract in the care hatch and collect your employee card.
225, parang nasa lang ah. Parang Squid Game lang ah. Okay, I have a card. Time card. Clock in. Let's go. Ikaw na naman. Nagkita ulit tayo. Childcare. Feed him, play with him, keep smiling. Your performance will be monitored. Employee contract. Siyempre, meron nanonood din sa atin dito. Hindi lang tayo
Your
nag-iisa.
primary role at Crown
Ito.
Childcare is his happiness and well-being. You can start with some light entertainment. Toys have been provided.
Okay. Dito ko na lang. Yan. Kailangan umabot ka sa kabila. Yun. Diba? Isa pa. Dili. Yan, mga ganyan na nalaroan ng mga demonic. Ganito ako mag-alaga kapag nagkaroon ako ng anak. Kita nyo yan. Wala na idea. Mambubugbog tayo ng bata. Siyempre, show na lang muna tayo mabait. Diba? Di pa ba kontento yan?
Entertainment has its place, but his growth is essential. Take him upstairs to be fed, then back downstairs to change him.
Okay. O, hintayin mo na lang ako dito. Kung aalis dyan, mahilig ka pa naman mag-teleport na dimukul ka. Ito yung... Ooh. Hintayin tayo sa baba. Hindi na tayo mag-slide. We need to use ladder. Okay. Changing table. Changing table.
evaluation is critical to monitor his progress and development.
Silya Electrica. Pwede na yan. Nice one. No. Paano? Hirap ako pumindot ah. Cremation. Ooh, that face, bruh. Tuwa ka. Nasa Silya Electrica ka na. And he's fine. Nakangiti pa rin. All goods pa rin siya. Hey! Hey, yo!
He's not quite ready yet. Take him upstairs and tuck him into bed.
Okay, sabi mo eh. Ay, sorry, naumpog ka pa.
An adequate first shift, employee 225. You've earned yourself a crown sticker. Proceed to reception and clock out.
We have a sticker. Sticker. We have a sticker. Yay, sticker. Should we put here? Okay. Progress chart. Go home.
Your continued work helps us grow. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Wala lang tomorrow. Practice ano lang to. Trainee lang. Uy.
Welcome to Crown Childcare. Nurturing growth every day.
Practice, ano lang to. Practice pa lang to. Trainee ba lang ba? Baby!
Good morning, employee 225.
Good morning.
You'll find him in the naughty corner following a little incident last night. Let's ease him into the day with some quiet story time.
Nasaan yung bata? Baby, where are you? Wala ka sa taas? Nandito ka siguro. Baby? Sira. Baby? Baby? Are you here? No? Baka nandito. Oh, this is naughty room. Ang naughty mo. Oh. Shit. Hey, yo, you good? Are you good in there? Uy, bakit malungkot yan? Ang pangit mo. Hindi ka na, ang pangit mo. Huwag ka na malungkot. Ang pangit mo. At may dumaan na motor. Ang ingay ah. Ingay ah, ha? Stand up.
Still testing boundaries. Interesting.
Marunong mag-teleport ha. May ability to ha. Sama mo, tumingin. Bobo. Let me help you. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Eyo. Kabagsira ng anak naman. Ikaw, halika di. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. We should need to find something. May oil yata. Ito yung oil. Fuck. You need this oil. You need this oil. Oil is... Aray ko! Oil will be useful. Saan ka ba lumulusot? Dito ka ba? Anak ka lang. Ay. Naikot ka ba dito? Ayun. Mhm. Mhm.
This behavior is promising. Begin an evaluation immediately.
Yan, yan. Masyado ka na natutuwa. Hirapan ako pumindot talaga. Masyado tumataas sa tayo sensitivity ko. Yan. Yay! Pagkataas ng cremation, silya electrica na. Para mabilis na. Okay. Panis. Dami mo kinalat. Hey, you good? Tulog na. Ano, may predator doon ah. Oy, isa na siyang kukun.
Quickly, take him to reception for processing.
O, ikaw nakaisip, ikaw gumawa, di ba? Ikaw nagmamadali. Anak ka ng tokwa ka. May message. We have a message. Ano ulit password na rin? Ah, yun, okay. A babysitter. Dispatch. Congratulations, Boy 225. This child has passed evaluation and is ready for placement with loving new parents. Please ensure he is properly labeled. Casilda Blackwood, Apartment 10. Cludin Towers. 51162B. Your continuing work. Help us grow. Oh, ito yung sa part 1 ah. Baka yun yung nasa part 1. Sa apartment 10 siya ilalagay. Yan, sa mukha na lang para maayos.
Sent out into the world, a truly remarkable. Another so soon. Quickly, clean up that mess you made in the playroom. The
Oh,
arrival.
ikaw nakaisip, di ba?
Perfect.
Di ba, ikaw nakaisip. Kung lumalabas ka dyan, tulungan mo ako. Hindi sana, madali yung trabaho, di ba? Panantayeteng ka. Taming kalat. Di ko man lang nabasahan ng libro yung makulitong na yun. Okay, clean first. Clean first. Clean. Need to clean up. Clean up. Ganito, maglinis. Ay, may natira pa pala. Diba? Parang maganda tignan.
Report to the care hatch. It's time.
Mamadali ka. Lilinis pa ako eh. Mamadali ka. Report to the care hatch? Remember the CD. CD malaki. Oh. New baby. Bagong baby na may sumpungan. A new baby nga. God damn. Dahili. Anong lucky me?
To contain your excitement, ensure the new arrival is safely tucked into bed before you clock out.
Lucky you. Lucky you dito. Dalawa na sila maaalagaan ko. Pangalawang alagain na naman. Bahala ka dyan.
Another sticker has been earned. Perhaps even deserved.
Ah, yeah. Kailan sahod ko? Magkano ba isang araw ko dito? Baka hanggang sticker lang ang binibigay ninyo, ha? Di matutustos dito yung ano ko. Kukulangin yung sinahod ko. Ay, kukulangin yung sinahod ko. Kulang yan kung sticker lang bibigay nyo sa akin. Someone's phone. Hello?
Hi, it's Edward Stern.
Hey, hello
Would
Edward.
you be able to send another setter? The one you sent last very long. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Hazel Sterling. Okay. Ikaw na lang. Matitude ka naman eh. Kaya mo yan. Okay, I need to go home na. Good night. Goodbye.
Your continued work helps us grow.
Wala akong
We'll
pake.
see you
I don't see you again. I don't want to see you again. Loyalty. Vlog 991. I have discovered this choice, but it's too dangerous to go alone. The heck?
Welcome to Crown Childcare, nurturing growth every day.
Okay, pag third day.
Good morning, employee 225. Today we'll be focusing on blocks and building. A simple yet meaningful activity. Even the smallest sapling holds
Tulak ko lang yan eh.
potential to become a
Wag.
towering tree. But a sapling cannot plant itself. It must be
An.
cared for, nurtured, sustained. Pick him up, build with him, grow with him.
Paano? No? Ganito ba? No. Play with the baby.
It feels like your first shift was only yesterday, yet here we are, your 2-week anniversary. Please enjoy the festive provisions. Can you see the tree?
Nanginig katawa ko doon ah. Asa yung tree? I can't find the tree. 225. Player 225. Eliminated. Ito na yung pasahod nyo. Oh. Hi, Taco Man. The heck? The heck? Si Taco Man yun ah. Old Taco. Oh, yun na pala. Ayun na pala tayo. Draw a pretty picture.
Today's activity is painting. Everyone, gather round and watch as 225 demonstrates
Okay na yan.
incredible artistic skill.
Kung ano yung nakapainting dyan, yun na yun. Aray ko.
It looks like we have another arrival. Stop what you're doing and
Wag
report
mo ako
to the
tignan.
care hatch.
Ang pangit ng ngiti mo talaga. How do we believe? Nandiyan ka na naman. Malalaglag ka dyan. Pag ikaw nalaglag, ayun. Ayun na nga. Oh, yung pusa.
addition to our family. And still, you cannot see the tree. Curious. Make sure they are both well fed. No favorites.
Yung favorites. Wala akong paborito sa dalawang yan. Dagdagdag pa sakitin sa ulo. Diyos ko naman. Bigay ka pa ng sakitin ng ulo. Ano ka ng teteng mo? Tinapon ko. Nasa taas na agad kayo. Ubus na talaga pasensya ko eh. Wala akong paborito sa inyong dalawa. Bahala kayo. Ah,
A fussy eater. Interesting. Take him to the staff room. Let's try a more appetizing option.
sa inyo na yan. Hindi ko kailangan niya. Ano, mapili? Bata? Maliit ka? Oy, maliit ka pa lang. Mapili ka na. Sino ba gumawa sa'yo? Pangit magtampo eh. Dahil? Ayaw mo nandito naman. Yan, ito na lang. Royal Feast. Kumain ka ha. Napaka-social mo. Isa, gatas.
Do not consume baby food, no matter how tempting it may be.
Okay. What the?
You were told, do not eat the baby food. Not shove it all in your greedy little face. Get back in the kitchen and do your job.
Oh, I didn't eat. Eat. Hey, saan na isa? Ay, gusto mo peanut? Sariling mundo talaga siya. Ah, ito na. Uy. Anak ka ng tokwa ka. Gusto mo peanut? May tae ka na sa puwet. What the crowbar. I need crowbar. Baby, I have royal feast. Peanuts. Mahilig din akong pumapak ng peanuts. I'd like peanuts too. Is anyone here? Oh, sarado. Dead end. Hey, doktor! Minions. Medan dito. Do they have enter? Oh. I am worthy. Bear the crown. Proceed tayo dito. Baby! Baby! Aray ko! Tayo na, sino yung humihinga? May bawal huminga. Naglalag ako, men. Nagandang buhala na to, ah. Ayo. Stay. Aray ko. Uy! Ay, nako. Sakit ng ulo ko, ah. Pen. Clock out. Oh, yung kapatid mo. Binuksing yata ako.
Oh, did you not get a sticker? Strange. That only happens to incompetent employees. Sleeping on the job means unpaid overtime. Deliver the package.
Ang last mo, yeah. Saan yung package? Di ko nga alam kung magkano yung araw ko sa inyo eh. Saan yung package? What the? Ay, ito pala. Bulag. Toasties. Oh, tayo din pala yung nag-deliver nun. Okay. Taasan ko lang yung brightness. Dead end talaga tayo. Toasties sa room number 10. Deliver ng babae. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Crown Childcare.
Oo na, sige na.
Nurturing growth
Huwag ka na maligalig.
every day.
Oo na, sige na. Huwag ka na maligalig.
Good
Hey!
morning, 225. We've had a new arrival. The
Oh, hindi ka
perfect
pwede
day
maglaro
for a
niyan.
fun fair.
Yun, sira.
Was that entirely necessary? Get it down so we can continue with the festivities.
Okay. Tatlo na kayong sira ulo, motherfuck. How can I take that toy? Da. Paano ko mabababa yung toy na yan? Foam dart. Baka sakaling dumana. Wala pa rin. Paano ko mababa yan? Hindi ko naman maabot yan. Hey, yo! Wala ba kayong any idea dyan na pwedeng magamit? The heck? Dito. Baka mayroong magamit dito. Uy, baka may mga alam ko dyan. Baby in yellow plushie. Nah, ayoko. Magiging demonic ako dyan. Baka yan pa mag-cause. Kaya mo na yan. Kaya mo na yan. Isa pa, Eugene. Dili, dili. Yan. Ito kayong dalawa. Kaya mo yan. Boom. Yung ice cream? Sa mga unang nagtataay, sa may nag-ano, yan. Spa, dali. Huwag ice cream eh. Tayo sa... Ay. Tapon, sari. Yan. Isa pa. Yun, in-allergy na.
Privileges have been revoked. One per child. The sign could not have been clearer.
One per child, nakadalawa nga sila. Uy.
Funfair Day is cancelled. That plane was company property. The beloved toy. Take that overfed child to the changing room now.
Ba't ka galit? E di ikaw gumawa. Magaling ka pa. Stoy. Aray ko.
Intruders detected.
Ilan yun? 4, 5?
In effect.
My eyes.
His hesitating, 225. Destroy every last one of these spies.
TV. Ah, shit. Ito. Ayos ah. Very good ka dun ah. Siyempre ba, dito muna tayo. Okay, isa pa lang. Sa dalawa, nakakadalawa na pala. Yun. Nagpipicture doon. Isa pa. Yun yung iba. Ikaw. Mahilig ka mag-picture. Huwag ka malikot. Puta. Isa pa. Hindi mo yun eh. Sa taas. Baka meron sa taas. Ayun. Anak ka ng tokwa ka.
Outstanding work. Only one left.
Let's go. Ayun, yung isa. Fuck, sumunod pa. Oh, yung... Ayun, pinapicture mo kami ah. A3. Yan.
Very impressive, 225. Perhaps we misjudged you. Still, a brief evaluation is required. Log on to the computer.
Performance evaluations. Okay. That's what you said. Welcome Employee 225 to your mandatory self-reflection due to recent activities. A brief assessment to your state of mind has been requested. Your result will help us better understand your mood, temperament, and outlook. Okay nang ina, ano to? What emotion stirs? Bahala na. Hindi ko alam yan. What does it demand? Compliance, acceptance, revelation. Aso? Parang aso ah. What does this settle? My soul? Mind? My heart? My mind? What does this reveal? I question. Confused white cat. So, okay na yun. Hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung mga nandoon eh. Uy! It's you again. It's you! Where am I? Hello? Oh!
An eventful and tiring day. Tuck all three into bed before you clock out.
Okay. Ay, nako. Kaya kung magkakaroon ako ng anak, magkakaroon ako ng anak, isa lang. Tapos ganito yung ugali, no? Talo ka talaga, sir. Bugbog sarado ka talaga.
In recognition of your efforts today, a special sticker has been awarded. Such promise. If only you could see the tree.
Nakikita ka naman siguro yan. Anong tree ang tinutukoy niyo? Demon tree or what? Ayun, ang ganda. Ang dami ko ng sticker. Yeah. Go home.
of staff will be with you shortly.
Bahala kayo dyan. Hihirapan nyo na naman ako. Dito na rin ako makakatulog. Dito na rin ako lalaki. Magigising. Revelation. I have seen the tree. It has taken root in me. Hey, yo, Taco Man. What's up? Napasarap tulog ko ah. Parang dito na ako
Welcome to
nagkain-kain
Crown
ah.
Childcare. Lockdown has been in effect for
Unknown
number.
days.
I just got home and your sitter has walked out. They were supposed to feed him. He needs to. What are you doing out of bed? Just now. Just send someone right away.
Di mo kayang alagaan no. Sumuko na yung isang employee natin. Di kita kilala pero sige, i-assign kita. Baka ikaw yung humandle. Clock in. Clock in. Oh, naglulok yung clock natin. Oy! Saan yung baby? Ito yung isa. Tulog na. Saan yung dalawa? Ano, biglang naglilat ah. Tatlo kayo na nandito. Hanapin ka pa yung dalawa. Alam ko, sure ako nandito to. Naughty corner. Diba? Ano, pangit na lugar nito ah. Parang naughty corner yun. Ba't ganun yung itsura? Isa-isa kayo mapapalitan. Tapos, yun na lang. Baka na. And I'm sure na nandito ka. Bad trip na naman ang mukha mo ah. Galit ka na naman. Galit ka na naman. Okay. Evaluate them. Oh. Stoy. Dito kayo. What the? Ayaw matulog? Bahala kayo. They don't want to sleep. Ha? Ano na? Makikita nyo ang makikita nyo po ang cremation and Celia Electrica for a good processing na nakangiti pa rin kayo. Good for quality po yan. $2.99 lang. Okay na okay po yun sa inyo. Kasama na pagtulog doon. Panarin nyo na lang po. What? Okay. Ito po yung Electrica, ha? Baby Electrica, not pala Celia Electrica kasi walang upuan. And it's fine. Tutulog na kayo. At wala yung bata. Climb inside. Oh, si Taco Man. Nandun din pala. Ano to? The Routine? Revelation, The Routine. 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 Heh.
Good morning, 225. Let's clock in and begin your shift.
What? Parang... Hey, yo! Hey, yo, you good?
That's not your card,
Oh, shit.
225.
Meron naman tayo. Ano pa na naman ng card? Dati, susi lang.
Into the machine. It couldn't be simpler.
Ito yun. Hindi. Ito. Hindi, wala yun eh. Walang putok man nun eh.
Clock in will affect your sticker allocation.
Ito ba? Saan yun? Di ba may ano yung ano ko?
Time is running out.
Bahala kayo dyan.
You can't do anything right.
Moji. Nako. His growth. Mali ba tayo sa kanina? Yung sa paghahanap ng time card natin? O sadyang ganun talaga? Okay. Tana, laking camera nito ah. Uy, mag-ano tayo? Grow a garden. Baby in Yellow Garden. Ano yun? Baby in Yellow Garden. Hey! Ayun, sinira mo na. Okay. Masyado ka na malaki. Pag ikaw nalaglag sa kalokohan mo, naniyuyug-yug mo yan. Ay, nako. Yan ka. Kakasabi ko lang eh. Wala na bang ibang choice? Ito talaga? Walang choice. Let's go. Revelation, your reflection. Okay. Oh. May mga password to? Circle, triangle. Continue. Napo-full storage na agad tayo ah. Amas! Sa ano to? Ba't wala tayo? Reflection. Nga no? Put on the mask. Baka yung katulad sa damask yan ha, pero putla lang. O ano? Tumitingala din? O, natingala din. Galing. This is what I want. Hey, can you wave? Our truth. Ang ganda ng ano nila, yung Crown Child Care nila, ang ganda ng ano. Ganda ng game, sobrang ganda ng game, natutuwa ako. Kung nakikita niyo lang expression ng mukha ko, sobrang enjoy na enjoy ako.
At last, revealed to you.
Aray. Tapos, galit. Label the baby. Paano ba label to? Galit to. Dapat tulog to, di ba? Yan. Ikaw din? Yeah.
Dispatch failed.
Yan.
Lockdown is still in effect. We appreciate your patience.
Hindi ka pwede maging demonyo. Yan. Tatapalan ko lang lagi yung mukha mo. Ang creepy na mukha mo. Dami ka ng sticker, oh. Kung saan ko na nilagay. Email. Umalis ka dyan. Umalis ka dyan. Doon. Wow. Come on. Investigate beyond the carriage. Gusto mo makiat? Yung baby. Asan yung baby? Correction. Lock. And we are here. Sabi na nga ba? Alam ko na itong lugar na to. Yung password din ba to? Anong password nito? 1895 din? Oh, wala palang password. Admin account. You are required to answer the series of security questions to access this account. What is your first name? 225. Yun lang. Ang pangalan natin? Ambrose. O siguro Ambrose. What is the focus on your search? Kung ano tayo, ang tawag doon? Ang favorite lagi na naalala ko si Newt. Laging mga plants, maybe plants. What star is your sign? Anong sign? What stars? Ito ba? Teka, ano ba yan? Oh, okay. Outbreaker. Oh, 6 to stop us. Si Isadora White, Theodora, Ambrose. Pwede siya si Nicholas. Si Nicholas ayun yata yun sa medyo Can you see the tree? Yes na lang. Yan, access lang natin yung request natin. Admin request. Uy!
Lockdown has been lifted.
Uy!
Crown Childcare thanks you for your patience.
Uy! Tatlo yung tagabagbantay mo. Ano lang? Ano to? What is this? Second Gilden Growth. Baby matures. Kadiri naman to. Ito yung mga plants, oh. Mga gusto ng plants. Ida and George. Yan pa kayo. Hintayin nyo ako dyan. Wait nyo ako. Family reunion tayo. Hintayin nyo ako. Para for, kung may 3 stooges, magpa plus 1 tayo. Okay. Where are you guys? I'm here. A Leap of Faith. Ano na naman to? Hallelujah. O, nasan tayo? Ito yung mga damo kanina na nire-research ng isa. Hello? Ay, may nasa dulo, yung babae, oh. Babae ba?
Your eyes are open, 225. Step forward and join us.
Yung sahod ko muna, tsaka yung 13-month pay ko. Bigay mo. Bago ako mag-join sa mga sinasabi mo. Di ba? Binigay din ba yung mga sahod sa inyo? Bago kayo mag-join? Para alam ko. 13-month nyo ba buo? Teka, magkano araw sa inyo? 520 lang sa akin sa inyo. Parehas lang din. 520 lang din. Sahod ko muna. Kontrata agad. Sahod ko muna. Baka hindi niyo bigay yung
At
sahod eh.
last, 225 has awakened and joined us on the yellow path. My devoted, the king turns his gaze upon you. From his tree came his children, and we nurtured their growth.
We fed their hunger. Now its roots, strengthened by their feast, bring him to our world. Rejoice, Dr. Arkham. The last remaining seeker is crushed. The cat gained his trust and led a child to his refuge. Now the world door has been cast open. The Doctor is alone, adrift in ruin. Nothing will stand against us. Nothing will deny his growth. Nothing will silence his children. Soon, the king arrives.
Okay. Epilogue. Oh, we came back. Ito na yun. Ito na yung gusto ko.
You, get up. This whole place. That's not the place, you monstrous yellow child. Hold the leg. Get up. Come on. Fix this. It was the cat. It must have been. She was the only.
Ay, pero sorry, nasira ako yung si Newt. Pero malaki rin na yung tulong ni Newt sa akin, ha. Tulungan na lang kita.
Get back. Get back. Come on. We'll stop her. She doesn't know about you.
Ikaw si ano, di ba, Nicholas? Okay. Uy, thanks for playing. There's more to come. Oh, may ba susunod ulit? No, excite, nakakatawa. Comment tayo dito sa game nila. So, sobrang saya ko na nadoktungan ulit nila yung game na nilalaro ko. And waiting na lang ako sa susunod na ilalabas nila. So, hanggang dito na lang ako sa game na to. Sana pagpatuloy nyo pa tong game na to. Sobrang ganda. Paganda na yung story niya. And see you the next video. So, kita-kisa na tayo sa susunod na video. Ingat kayo dyan and see you.